For a multinational company, compliance means tracking many rules at once across different countries, industries, and products. Someone must keep watching for regulatory changes all the time. Regulatory updates are hard to track, but understanding what they require is even harder. Companies often need experts or outside counsel to interpret the rules and turn them into practical compliance actions, which takes time and money every time a rule changes. Answering, "Are we actually compliant?" means chasing down each business unit for its latest policies or digging through the central repository. That's exactly the problem Diligence is built to solve. Diligence is an AI-powered GRC platform by Wizpresso, purpose-built for reporting and regulatory compliance across functions and lines of defense. It's designed for enterprises that need to continuously close regulatory gaps across multiple jurisdictions and functions. Diligence brings everything together in one centralized hub. Instead of tracking regulations, policies, controls, and evidence across scattered systems, teams can manage it all in one place. To see how it all connects, think of the platform as a continuous cycle. Monitor, assess your policies and evidence against requirements. Govern through coordinated workflows and ownership. Report to stakeholders with defensible compliance narratives. And then monitor again as new obligations emerge. Let's start with monitor. Every framework lives on the framework overview page. You can easily add a framework from our pre-built ones. Or you can upload or insert a link of any related regulation, and Diligence will extract it into a structured checklist with requirements and categories. In seconds, you land in the extraction hub, which is a structured, editable outline where every clause is already classified. Regulatory requirements, prohibitions, exemptions, or just guidance. Refine what matters, mark items in scope or mandatory, reorder categories, then hit Proceed, and your framework is ready to track. Moving to compliance reviews. This is where Diligence checks your actual documents against every requirement in a framework. Upload your documents and choose suitable function for your needs. Reporting compliance to check disclosures like your annual report or ESG report, or operational compliance to check internal policies and controls. Diligence reads every document against every requirement, cross-referencing pages, extracting evidence, and scoring each one fulfilled, partially fulfilled, or not fulfilled. For every result, you get the full rationale with the exact evidence, and your team always stays in control. Every AI verdict can be reviewed, corrected, or overridden. Nothing gets filed away without a human sign-off. Diligence also allows you to track your real-time progress. The Compare Reviews function puts multiple reviews side by side. The third layer is where your team governs policies and collaborates. Governance. You can bulk upload a folder of documents, and Diligence organizes them instantly. Diligence can also ensure all uploaded documentation meet the industry standard and tells you exactly what's missing. Every version is tracked automatically, so nothing gets overwritten and nothing gets lost. When auditors, regulators, or investors come knocking, the Audit Hub is where you manage the entire Q&A process securely. Upload the auditor's questionnaire, and Diligence automatically turns it into structured requests that your team can answer. Click Generate Answers, and Diligence will draft a response for every open question, pulling straight from your own policies and evidence with citations to the exact source. Your team can later reviews, edits, attaches evidence, and submits. With the help of Diligence, what used to take weeks is cut down to days. Additionally, Diligence can also be used as a knowledge layer, as it can generate periodical reports on enterprise compliance posture, risks, and answer to any GRC questions. Underneath all of this, Diligence is built on enterprise-grade security, with application, infrastructure, and network controls protecting every document you upload. Role-based permissions and group access mean each person only sees what they're meant to, and every login, edit, and status change is captured in an access log. From tracking a single regulation to running a full audit exercise, Diligence gives your team one connected system to help ensure the company stays compliant. Be better prepared for your next regulatory review with Diligence.